On today's podcast, we'll be talking about ensuring fire safety awareness in factories and warehouses. So stay tuned. Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast. Regarding factories and warehouses, the risks associated with fire can be particularly significant. Implementing robust fire safety measures and fostering employee awareness is crucial to preventing potential disasters and safeguarding lives and valuable assets. First and foremost, having a well-structured fire safety plan is essential. This plan should encompass fire prevention, detection, and response strategies. Regular fire drills and training sessions for all employees can significantly improve their preparedness and ability to respond swiftly and effectively during an emergency. Factories and warehouses should have adequate fire detection systems, including smoke detectors, heat sensors, and sprinkler systems. These systems can identify potential fire hazards in their early stages, giving employees more time to evacuate safely. Maintaining clear and unobstructed escape routes and having these routes marked with safety floor tape and signs is vital. Employees should be familiar with the nearest exits and assembly points to evacuate the premises promptly. Safety teams or whoever is responsible for the facility safety program should conduct regular fire exits, emergency lighting, and fire extinguisher inspections. Those inspections should include, but not be limited to, ensuring all the fire safety equipment is updated and in proper working condition. Fire safety protocols should also include guidelines on handling flammable materials and chemicals. Proper storage, handling, and disposal of hazardous substances is crucial to minimizing fire risks. Promoting a culture of fire safety awareness among employees is equally important. Encouraging them to report potential hazards or fire safety concerns can lead to timely corrective actions. Posting informative signs, distributing pamphlets, or conducting workshops can also contribute to reinforcing fire safety knowledge. Fostering a responsible attitude toward fire safety extends to practicing good housekeeping. Keeping the workplace clean and organized reduces the chances of fire outbreaks and makes it easier for employees to navigate safely during an emergency. Fire safety awareness in factories and warehouses is not just a matter of compliance, but a shared responsibility among employers and employees. By being proactive and vigilant, we can create a safer work environment and mitigate the devastating consequences that fires can bring. Be sure to prioritize fire safety because prevention is always better than dealing with the aftermath of a fire. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next week, have a great week and stay safe. Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.